10 things to consider before you purchase a brand new car. Buying a car feels like achieving a milestone in our life. After working hard and assembling your hard-earned money, you finally get ready to fulfill your dream. The excitement and state of euphoria that fills the house for many days are priceless. But do not let these emotions sway you in your decision of buying a car. A car purchased after plenty of research is the one that will be the best option for you. Things to check when buying a new car. Also, it is important to get car insurance for your brand new car. Insurance for a car is vital to support you financially in case of any damage to the four-wheeler. You can go for new car insurance online if you want to look for the most suitable options online. There are numerous brands of cars available in the market that sport fabulous features. Don't forget to check out these to know what suits your needs best when doing the research. 1. Are safety features present or not? Safety comes first and there is no room for negotiation in this case. But no matter how safely you drive or follow road rules, you cannot say the same for everyone else. You must check if the car has curtain airbags and frontal airbags. You could also ask the dealer about safety features such as anti-lock brakes, automatic safety control, sensors for safety alerts, etc. 2. Remain firm on your budget. The cost of the car is something you should look into before and after inspecting the features. Discuss this thoroughly with your dealer and do the math yourself to see if it is within your budget or not. Having a four-wheeler insurance policy is mandatory by law, so do not ignore it as an unwanted additional cost. 3. The engine is crucial. The speed and efficiency of the car should be considered, and both of these are determined by the engine. Different brands and models offer different acceleration capacity. Look for the one that will be perfect for driving in your area. 4. Did you check for a warranty? If you are investing in a car, then warranties are a must to look out for. Your car might be brand new for now but will not remain so after some time. It will require maintenance, and that is why warranties are required. Do not spend more money when you can get that service for free. 5. Do not forget the transmission. Are you tired of shifting gear sticks from time to time? If yes, then the automatic transmission is the best option to look in the car. If not, then either go for the usual one or purchase a car containing the semi-automatic transmission that allows you to shift the stick while the clutch is automated. 6. The navigation feature never let you go astray. The latest models have some fabulous features like an accurate navigation system that is much needed. You must be aware of the roads around your city and go to another one. The enhanced navigation systems are present in many latest models that will show you the correct way when needed. Just pin the coordinates and leave the rest. 7. Cameras and sensors. Sensors and cameras might seem like useless additional gadgets when in truth, they are extremely important if you have to park your car, check for animals seeking shelter under the car, and so on. You can ask your dealer whether the car contains cameras, front and rear sensors, and any other smart gadget that might be useful. 8. Headlights to lead the way. The latest models of car are equipped with automated headlights that reduce the fuss of switching them on and off. The automated headlights flare up after detecting dim lights and goes off when the lights are bright enough. 9. Know the depreciation value. The cars are upgraded continuously, and you might not want to drive the same model your whole life. It is crucial that you buy from brands with lower depreciation value. Ensure you get enough that covers most of the next car you plan to buy. 10. Additional perks. Some dealers are open to offering free additional services for a fixed period or small car accessories for the sake of boosting sales. Even when you buy car insurance, your insurance provider will provide small discounts on the online purchase of the insurance policy. Moreover, if you feel that your car policy can be enhanced, you could also include some add-ons to the policy that will help protect your car in specific situations.